Welcome back again to another video lecture in C programming language, and in this video lecture we're going to look at one of the most popular input functions that is used in C language today, and that is Scanf. Among beginners and experts in the industry, we usually use Scanf mostly because it's literally one of the most popular. It helps us to collect weights. Alright, so let's go ahead and write a simple example to illustrate this. Let's say I have sha austere with a string value of 200. We're going to collect so much weight. And to do that, I'm going to request a user to input a name. So printf, I'm going to say enter your nickname. Alright, so enter your nickname plus semicolon at the end, and using Scanf, I'm going to, this is a string, and it's going to be %s. So I'm going to say %s. So play comma and FCL, showing that's the string. So print this out. I'm going to use printf, and I'm going to say your nickname is %s. Alright, so your nickname is %s, play comma there, and str. So for a semicolon at the end of this, and that is all. Let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So run this code. That is coming. Enter your nickname. So your nickname can be, well, welcome my nickname Jazzy. Alright, hit enter. So your nickname is Jazzy. How are you, high school? So run this code again and check it out. Enter your nickname. Your nickname can be hello, or hit enter. Your nickname is hello. So you can see that using Scanf, you can be able to accept input from a user, and using printf, you go ahead and print out the result. So this is one of the most popular in C programming language, and I believe that you're going to put that down in your own system and check it out. And if you have any question, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.